Good morning, everybody. We're back at it. We're going to be headed out to Lady Bird. It's about 5:15. Looking to get there just a little bit before 7, a little before sunrise. Going to meet up with Angel Banda. Yeah, he's part of a couple of different fishing groups that I'm in with, and we're going to do a little fishing at Lady Bird. I love Lady Bird. I think it's one of my favorite lakes just to fish. So let's head to Austin, keep it weird, and get some fishing in. See you guys in a bit.
And I fumble. Boys, I've been drinking for days. Well, I stagger and I fumble. Boys, I've been drinking for days. And the reason I'm drinking.
Today, little light fish, little hybrid. Here's another one. Oh, I'll smoke the boat. Vipers. Little guys. Alright, worth it. Get the juices flowing. For our little spoon cast master. There's one. Yeah. This one. They're little, but still a lot of fun. There we go. A little bit bigger than what we've been catching. Yeah, I'm pretty sure these are hybrids. Smallmouth, you know, kind of a pan fish body. All right, not fooling around. Better fish. I think he was just stuck in the weeds more than anything. Just a little over barely being a keeper. It's about 12 1/4. It's 847. Yeah. I caught my first keeper a couple minutes ago off whatever this bridge is.
I didn't know there was white bass in here, man.
Neither did I.
I was like, what the hell? You seen the picture? I'm like, what?
Yeah.
I was like, I think he's in the wrong spot.
Yeah. No, I saw all these fish on the surface, so I was like, all right, well, we'll just
Give it a try.
get something out here. I threw some top water. They didn't react to it, so I threw a little crankbait, and I just started bam, bam, bam.
How many did you catch?
I only caught 3, but it was fun for a minute. Just like you said. Right on the edge. I kind of felt some resistance, so I just gave it a little wiggle. And then, yeah, nice fish. I wouldn't mind having that in a tournament.
I thought you knew.
Yeah. 2.1, 2.13.
Man, this is tough.
It's a nice fish. All with life up here on top of these weed beds here. Look around, and we got turtles all over the place, and I've seen some good sized bass swimming through here, and then you just see them whoop and go right down into the completely inverted and go straight down into the weeds. It's a thick canopy. Yeah. Nice. All right, well, it is just a little, it's about 1:45 2. Had some good fishing. Was able to catch up with Angel, so we were able to hit a couple spots up together, fish for a couple hours. He helped me out with getting the punch rig going, which led to my biggest fish of the day, so that worked out for me. He ended up putting a couple bigger fish in his boat, doing the same thing. So all in all, good day here at Lady Bird. First time being out here in the summer. Definitely has its challenges. A lot of weeds, a lot of getting stuck. A lot of the things that we're used to doing out here, we can't do. So either way, still fun. It's always good to get out on a lake and to get some time fishing. And if you get a chance, I would recommend you come out here yourself. All right, well, I appreciate you guys watching this one. Have a good one.